12 days of Christmas cooking. So here we are on day whatever, and I have a special little treat for you today. Today we're making homemade Baileys. That's right, so the hot chocolate that we made yesterday, it's only fitting if we have a little something to go in it. So, fun fact, before I got pregnant with my third, I was a coffee junkie. I was drinking coffee all the time, morning, noon, and night. Like, it was unhealthy, the coffee that I drank, but I loved it. And then when I got pregnant with my third, I've never been able to really stomach a cup of coffee again. And so every once in a while, I'm a sucker for punishment, and I'll try a cup, and it gives me these insane jitters that I've never felt with anything but coffee. So it's not for me. One of the ingredients is instant coffee. So we are going for decaf. Maybe I'll try a cup of decaf with some Baileys if I don't want the hot chocolate, but you do you. So this is a tried and true recipe. I've made it a bunch. It's great to give away for a thank you gift or just as a side as one of your presents to gift your coworkers or your family and friends. You can make a little gift tag that says, you know, Merry Christmas, and just advise people how to use it. So this will keep in the fridge for 2 months. So you want to put that expiration date on there if you are gifting this, but it's not going to last the 2 months. Like, let's be real. We will add all of our ingredients into a blender. It's as easy as when we made the hot chocolate yesterday. Everything just gets dumped into the blender and mixed up. You want to mix it on low though. I used to make this when I wasn't plant-based, and I would use half and half. And if you choose to go that route and skip like I have the oat milk, but the barista stuff because it's thicker. So if you skip this and want to substitute some half and half, you can definitely do so, but you just want to make sure that you're blending on low, because if you blend on high, it will actually curdle the milk, and you're getting into a situation where you're going to have some whipped cream. So you don't want to do that. But otherwise, it's super easy. It'll take us about 2 minutes to make it. We'll bottle it up and then we'll try it out. So I'm so happy that you're back here today. I hope you're enjoying these 12 days of Christmas cooking as much as I am. And without further ado, let's get into it.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing all the plain, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly, sweetly through the night, and the mountains in reply, echoing their brief delight. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your heavenly song? Come to Bethlehem and see.
So that's it, guys. It is as easy as that. We have beautiful bottles of Baileys that we'll be able to give. And so I'm just going to make up some little cards for the people that I'll be giving that away to next week. But we have yet to try it. So let's go ahead and try it. Hey guys, moment of truth. I have my fur friends here for emotional support. So make sure you say hello to Milo and Sammy down in the comments. They love that you guys keep coming back. And let's give this a whirl. Smells good. It's so good. This is so delicious. So I don't know if you can see, I have this mixed with the hot chocolate that we made yesterday. Oh, good. Oh, you know, what's his little blankie? He carries this little blanket around with him. Come on. There you go. So yeah, so this is super, super delicious. It's also really versatile. So if you want to make it stronger, you know, just add more Irish whiskey. If you want to play around with the flavors, so if you didn't want to add the cacao, you could add like a raspberry liqueur. I think that would be really, really nice, especially if you were mixing with hot chocolate. It would be so good. What do you think, Sam? Hey, what do you think? All right, guys, well, that's it for me. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'm so grateful that you were here, and I hope that you run and go and make this. You won't be disappointed, and it'll be such a great addition to have for your guests whenever everybody is mingling. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You just want the love, baby. Good puppies. Yeah, your face. Look at your little face. Yeah. Your face just tiresome.
Shepherds, why this Jew?